If you're looking for a super quick and easy veggie-packed dinner, this mushroom chow mein is the one for you. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, don't be afraid to chuck in loads of mushrooms into this mushroom chow mein. I'm using about 400 grams or 14 ounces of chestnut mushrooms, but use your favourite variety and don't worry about adding more because they all cook down really nicely. We're going to start by making the chow mein sauce. Mix together 1 tablespoon of cornflour, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine until combined. Now add in 2 tablespoons of cacao manis, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 900 ml, which is about 1/3 of a cup of vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and mix it all together until combined and set aside. Now we're going to boil the noodles. Now I've got 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of chow mein noodles here, but you can use fine egg noodles if you can't find chow mein noodles. We're going to cook them as per the pack instructions. Once they're cooked, we're going to drain them. Once they're cooked, we're going to drain them in a colander and run under cold water to stop them sticking together. Now heat 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a wok over a high heat. Add in the chestnut mushrooms. I'm using about 400 grams of sliced chestnut mushrooms, and season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then stir fry for about 3 minutes until the mushrooms are soft. Once the mushrooms have softened, we're going to add in a thinly sliced onion, a large carrot that's been peeled and sliced into matchsticks, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Then stir fry together for about another 3 minutes, regularly tossing everything together with a spatula. Now add in a sliced red bell pepper, 1/2 savoy cabbage that's been thinly sliced, 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of beansprouts, and 10 spring onions or scallions that have been cut into 5 cm or 2-inch lengths. Then fry again for another 2 minutes, keeping everything moving in the wok with your spatula. Now add those cooked and drained noodles back into the wok and pour over the chow mein sauce that we prepared earlier. Stir fry everything together for a further 2 to 3 minutes, tossing regularly with a set of tongs until the noodles are hot. Then serve topped with spring onions, sesame seeds and chilli flakes. And that's my super veggie mushroom chow mein. This recipe plus 99 others is available in my new book, It's All About Dinner. See you next time.